Hello, Gek. We're gecking today. Please rise as we honor our flag and read out the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance
to the
to the
flag
flag
of
of the
United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, into the divisible, with liberty and justice for all.
For all.
And with this, we shall start the Gunn Esports Pong $30 grant tournament on
Yeah.
Pong.
Let the
From
ponging begin.
from United States, representing the United States of America, is Andy Lee. And I, who will be representing California, my name is Travis Chu. We are doing a first to 100 Pong tournament for Gunn Esports.
All right, 3, 2, 1, Pong.
What?
Pong.
Oh,
Travis.
Word mod.
Pong. Let's Pong.
Is it the actual Pong tournament? Or is
yes, we are.
Yeah, shut up, big bro.
We are recording this. We are representing America.
Bro, we're gonna have to start over again.
Oh, my bad, sorry.
Why is this so long?
Pong.
Shut up. Oh, the first point. Big momentum swings to a no-reg. The 2D tracking in this game is amazing. Notice how I'm blue, he is red, and there is white, representing the colors of the United States of America.
Blue represents courage, and red represents sacrifice.
And the white represents the colonies. Ah! Gotcha.
It's not looking too great. Oh.
Ah!
These nerds, man.
You see these flicks right now? You see these flicks?
I can't read this guy.
Cause I'm American.
He can't read either. Because he's American.
That's racist.
Okay, that's just bogus.
Please
What
read
the
the terms
flick,
of
man?
service, no racism. I'm about to win a $30 gift card. Andy, what would you spend the money on? It's
What
not like
the
we're splitting the
flick?
pool.
Wait, is this
Nah.
do you guys actually both make it to the finals?
We're recording this right now,
Yeah.
Vikram. Can you shut up?
Vikram, shut up. You're ruining the recording.
God damn it.
Bro, I swear.
Man actually goes to Tom Brady at the NFL and says, "Are you recording this?" I cannot believe it. I'm winning so hard.
Dude, these no rigs are actually incredible.
wait, it actually is just going through.
It's literally.
Wait, why aren't you moving your thing?
To pick out the gaming mask.
Wait, are you
Better now.
are you moving your thing?
I don't know.
Okay, now you're moving. You just like you weren't moving.
Okay, there we go.
This is a very good website. I wonder who picked it.
Ponging. Why does it say ping in the top left?
If you guys are not aware, Gunn Esports is running a charity for gamers.
Ben, shut up.
Ping Pong.
Travis, you suck.
I don't know how he's doing this.
It's incredible. Oh, how does he do
He's
it?
insane.
How does he do it?
I
How does he do it?
These serves are unreturnable.
ah
Oh.
Oh.
Oh. Oh. Oh. Pong. Oh.
My hands are too small for the ball.
I'm reaching a point of ecstasy playing Pong.
When was America founded?
1776.
Should we do a halftime show at the first 50 or something?
What is the game to?
100.
200.
What?
We're Ponging.
Representing 100 divided by 2 is 50. How many states are there in America? Yo.
Flip. We just passed 50, which is half the amount of U.S. senators currently in the U.S. Senate.
Yes.
So patriotic. True man of culture.
Whoa. Look at me, 28, just like the 528 electoral college votes.
I know what I will buy with my $30.
What will you buy, Travis?
I'll have to keep it a surprise for now.
That's good to hear.
But you shall see,
Ah!
or more specifically, you shall see me once I spend my $30. Ah! 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 Ah!
We're ponging. Ah.
How long is this to go? Oh my gosh.
Ah.
Wait, let's just both. Wait, let's both stand still and then just see like who gets no regged first.
Okay.
Oh, wait, we gotta like center it as much as possible. Ooh. Oh,
Wait, just keep it completely still.
how do I? No. But the ball spawns at like.
Oh, little
Wait,
bit.
wait.
An angle.
Put your finger on the monitor so you can align it with the center of the ball spawn. I think mine's at the center. I'm looking for yours.
Dude,
You need to go slightly up.
Oh,
Slightly.
Okay, well now you're winning. We need to stop experimenting.
Now you're winning, and we don't want that.
Travis, are you putting the integrity of the
When the British tea, when the British sold us tea with tax, we said no America without emancipation. And what did we do? I need to check if I'm recording. Wait, hold on. Let's see if we're okay. I'm recording. Okay. I scared him.
The intimidation factor is unreal in this match.
The strategy is only opposed to teamfight tactics.
Agreed.
Andy, are you good? Get gamer, wake up! There are still men in the fields. In the trenches, you need to
Travis, you have
save.
Groovy unmuted.
What do I... right, yeah, I do. Should I...
Good.
Is General safe to open?
Why would you mean unsafe?
No.
Okay, then I will not.
Oh, wait, this is Daft Punk? What?
No.
It's fine. It's fine.
I've
Unmute
never
Groovy.
known
What we're posting this to YouTube. Won't it get like copyright strike? This is Robot Rock,
Shut
right?
up. Daft
Okay.
Punk is dead.
Yeah,
They
it's dead.
can't do- they
Okay,
can't copyright
fine.
this.
You get a 10-second clip so we don't get copy striked. 1, 2, 3, Audio Jungle. 4, 5,
Audio
6, 7, 8, 9, Audio Jungle. 10. No more.
Oh, no, you ain't.
Ah,
Intense game of Pong I've ever seen.
I was able to use my scatter shot to make sure he would not be able to hit the ball. It was a precise and extreme technique.
Bro, Travis, why are you peeking that? Come on.
I'm jiggle peeking it.
Oh, these no rags. Oh.
Are you playing on your Mac?
Yeah.
No wonder you're so good.
Thank you.
Ah!
Travis. You are too kind to me, good sir.
Let's try and get the longest rally right now.
No!
Oh, why'd you try and flick at the end? America. Oh no, it's so close. I don't know what's happening. Oh, it's all.
No regs.
It's falling apart. I genuinely get very nervous during competitions. I'm ready.
Hello.
Hello? I think I have you in check in 1. That's how chess works. What do we do about these no regs? It's too difficult sometimes. Oh my god, you flicked. I didn't think you would get it. Why are you typing? Let's mute each other and then talk. What?
Oh my god.
Andy! I'm recording the whole screen! I can't believe this. I think I might have to report you.
75 to 8.
To our king?
Down to the wire. 19 points for Travis.
Let's pay respects to
25
Benny
for
Guo.
me.
Benny
Who's
Guo
com-
will no longer be
who's
serving
on
in the
top?
Gek royalty. It is quite an upset. Oh wait. You can't record me.
Oh well, Travis. That's just unlucky.
Andy, I am recording the entire screen. You can't be doing this type of thing. By the dawn's early light, what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, broad stripes and broad stars through the perilous fight. For the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets' red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that the flag was still there. Oh, say does that start the rockets we sent to Japan and or the rampart the United States and America as a whole. Hooray! Andy, I'm gonna be real with you. I'm gonna start sweating in one more. Oh, I'm gonna be real with you. Okay. What the hell? It's no rig.
No rig.
It's no rigging me. You're the idiot. You have no parents. Let's go. This is big. This is big. Hey. Getting nervous, Andy. Oh!
No way. No way I lose to no regs. Down to the wire.
Whoa.
Let's go, America!
Cut the tape. It didn't happen.
Oh, this is the last point. Oh, he got it. Oh, no. Oh, he got it. Look, everybody, it says 100. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this has been the game, the Gunn Esports. Andy representing America. So California will no longer be a part of the United States of America. So this is the end of the Gunn Esports tournament. I hope you all had a great time. Now, let's pay respects to our founding fathers.
Please join me once more in the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge
Allegiance to the flag of United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, into the divisible, and liberty and justice for all.